Good morning. How's everybody? We are back with a review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. Big night for the markets. Nvidia came out with blockbuster earnings and shot through market expectations, as was thought would be the case. They have not only given estimates which are beating the earnings forecasts for the next few months, the next quarter, but also their earnings from the last quarter have also far exceeded expectations. And Jensen Wong so much went on to say that the AI bubble is actually something that he is not looking at all. In fact, his exact words were, "We are looking at something very different." So that has breathed new life into the market rally, and the markets have rallied overnight. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq, all three have rallied more in the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, considering they're tech heavy, but not so much in the Dow. But the futures are looking brighter. I feel that once the markets open, the markets will rally from here. There was a dampener at the same time. The Fed meeting minutes came out, and that suggested that the Fed board members were divided about a rate cut even back in October, and therefore the chances of a December rate cut have gone down even further. Not to mention the fact that the October labor numbers from the Bureau of Labor Statistics will not be coming out. They will be coming out, but they'll be coming out together with the November report, and that will come out after the next federal Fed meeting. So the Fed meeting will only have today's numbers, the September numbers, to look at before the next Fed meeting, in which the markets are hoping for another rate cut. So today's numbers are very important. The numbers are going to be coming out at 1:30 p.m. UK time, 6:30 p.m. Pakistan time, 8:30 a.m. New York time. So those numbers are very important because that is the only set of numbers that is going to be coming out before the next Fed meeting. So that's going to influence the market movement. With that, Bitcoin also rallied. It had dropped down to about 90,000. It has climbed to about 92,000 now. Oil prices had gone down yesterday after news of a peace deal brokered by the United States behind the scenes. So oil prices had dropped down, but they seem to be picking back up. Gold prices have dropped down, and I had said they would. Once the markets rally, gold prices would come down. The US dollar has gained strength against the euro. The euro has weakened because if there isn't going to be a rate cut in December, that will strengthen the dollar. So the dollar has gained against the euro. So on the whole, things are looking brighter. The markets are looking more optimistic. The US dollar is looking more optimistic. Oil prices are going up. Bitcoin is going up. But a lot depends on the labor market data that will be coming out later today, because that is the only set of labor market numbers that the Fed will have available to them. One could argue that that is going to be quite stale data, considering it's going dating back to September. But if that data shows that the labor market is cracking up quite a bit, that would actually encourage the markets, and the rally will continue. Even otherwise, I think we will have a bit of a rally today in the markets, as well as in Bitcoin, as well as in the US dollar. So be ready to go long on these, and you should be able to make some good gains there.